making Anglo great again. I'm a good. So what do I suggest? I'm a global okay. My list and no we have then make a time ya dem kuma akpo. Ka WhatsApp channel na po video akpo ma follow WhatsApp channel la. Ma daga the comment section na do description na follow we kwa kana follow WhatsApp channel la do. Make a time ya zo apo ka time ya no fi ma mi adoje mi asro enu. Anya bedu me view I've been studying Hogbachocho for long. Alabama nyaba miakata made kawe mienye. Ka 2018 or 19 na mesebobe mi signpost ada waga the strong be nyaba amachicho watendo kwaza majio. Man not waiting maybe to see that, but welcome to Anglo, something so beautiful. But then till today nyamakponu mo kwa wonu blanyi na nyedeka. Ka what do I suggest? So ma banto la gbanyenya be all these 36 states today, they should all come together. I resolve over differences how. Ikabanya no ika anya kpola ba mia view ado juma view gba numa jime mi la da ka wo la mia pa amachichia oduma. So gbanto nya ba leadership ado dialogue. Nova over resolve. Numoka tan la ba the moment o glom la social media, o glom la Facebook, TikTok, lo talk kwa afia ba it will be there forever. Ikabe na mia juma via o mia pa efia be ala ro juma gaba ala nyatepe be mi juma gaba gbesege. So number 1 let's have a dialogue among all these 36 states. Number 2, if possible, let's form a new state. Let's allow be okay, Fifia Banto is by Francis Grutter in 1912. Ye fufu all these states together today. Miantowa be a let's form a new state because already whenever you did we are not part like if you have automatically the number reduced, the 36 has reduced. So the leadership now okay, let's form a new state. Now we can know you know and Anglo fine. Now I recommend law. I'm going to have a form if a new state. If you have we are building a new state together. Even 95 out of 10 is enough. Quality over quantity, if I may put it that way. Now, point 3, let's write. Whenever this new state, old one let's write and document our history. The Constitution of Anglo, they are 16. Na hlagbala over 15, na hlagbala over 18. Ikabe ne miakata mi nglo miapa hlo